Good morning everyone. I am Archana Sharma, Counseling Psychologist at Drishti. Today I am here to discuss a very important aspect, which is relationship between hygiene and mental health. So students, you must have heard with your parents saying that we should start our day by completing all our daily activities, to take bath daily, freshen up and keep our room clean, make our beds after we get up. So do you understand why do they keep saying this? It's mainly because there is a very important bond between maintaining hygiene so that our body is clean, body is fit. So of course we will able to participate and we will be more productive throughout the day. But now our situation is so tough, everything is upside down. We are at home 24 into 7 the same environment. So somehow we are compromising in maintaining hygiene. As we were discussing with the authorities, with the parents, so they were also discussing their concerns and raising the concerns that students get up only 5-10 minutes before the classes and they are not maintaining proper hygiene, they are not taking bath regularly. So today I'll discuss few tips, children. If you just try and adopt to some of them, it will help you to be more productive throughout the day, and so that the outcomes can be really beautiful. So first is you have to maintain your wake up time. So before, at least try to get up before 45 minutes of the scheduled class. Then freshen up, have your breakfast, take bath and then start your class, so that you will be more productive and you will see the difference between when you were not doing these things and now. Next is keep your room clean. So wherever you are working, on your table, chair, room, space should be clean, because it will give you a very positive vibe. And then maintain your daily routine and try to follow through. Then next is also before class, please arrange your all stationaries, check your audio visual system, so that there is no disturbance during the class, or you don't have to sign it and sign out again and again, because you will be missing on very important informations. Please introduce at least 30 minutes of exercise in your daily routine, so that you are physically also feeling very energetic. Also please, whenever you are taking a break, go out to the balcony, maybe spend 10 minutes there and then come back and continue with your routine. Regulate your screen time. Have a very scheduled timing for your meals, so that you're taking your meals on time, and introduce fruits in your daily routine, fruits, salads. So these are the basic hygiene which we need to maintain. And also very important thing, once you get up, please make your bed, so that everything is in place and managed well. So this is how, if you maintain, you will see the difference. Once you maintain these basic hygiene factors, you will see a difference in your outcome, in the productivity also. So I hope, children, all of you will do well and try and adapt and try and adopt some of these activities in your life, and then see the difference. Thank you so much.